Toolbar panel consists of three parts: Edit Tools, Arrange, Align. View panel is list of functions or shrink it to group of icons. Edit Tools menu, edit widget content and design. Change properties for a single widget or widget set. Toolbar panel becomes active once widget is selected. Select text widget. Press Edit. Edit widget text in Input Text Mockup panel. Select Image widget, press Edit. Edit Image Mockup panel opens. Pick the picture from image library or from the list of recently used images. Link widget to project pages or add URL to it. Select widget. Press Links button on Edit Tools menu. Select page or URL to link at the Links panel. Duplicate widget. Press Clone button on Edit Tools menu. Shortcut Ctrl+C copy, Ctrl+V paste, or Ctrl+C copy, Ctrl+Shift+V paste to the same coordinates. Organize your widgets into group. Select widget. Press Group button on Edit Tools menu. Use Make a Group panel to create new group or select an existing one from the list. Remember to use Groups panel to list group members and change their appearance on the page or project. Set new properties for master widget used in different pages. You can use same master widget in different places and modify its properties per every single appearance. Master widget will remain unchanged. Select widget. Press Reference button on Edit Tools menu. Reference panel opens. Select widget properties to be modified. Watch reference tutorial for detailed information. Set properties of widget text. Select widget or group of widgets. Press Font button on Edit Tools menu. Font panel opens. Set font properties. Edit link appearance. Press Link Style button on Edit Tools menu. Link Style panel opens. Select color from following options: hover color, active color, visited color, and link underline. Edit widget size. Select widget or group of widgets. Press Size button on Edit Tools menu. Size panel opens. Set fixed widget width and height or make it flexible. Widget size will change according to content. Padding clears an area around the content inside the border of an element. Padding is affected by the background color of the element. Specify style and color of the element border. Border radius CSS property can be used to give borders rounded corners. The radius applies to the background even if the element has no border. Change widget text color. Common color palette used in entire system. Change widget background color. Common color palette used in entire system. Arrange widget appearance. Move forward or backwards any selected object. Press an appropriate button on Arrange part of the Edit Tools menu. Align widget or group of widgets. Press an appropriate button on Align part of the Edit Tools menu.